I mean, that's the energy you put out, so...
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell.
The energy you put out is exactly what you're going to get back. I tell people this all the time. And the only reason why I say it so confidently is because, like, it's literally, like, I've witnessed it. You know, before I used to be told how petty I was. And I say this all the time. Like, I used to be told how petty I was, and I would gladly wear pettiness. But the issue was I could never understand why my life always seemed like it was always drama, always something petty, always this and that and the third. Because I lived being the petty queen title, it was like petty things was always going to come my way to prove it, because that's the energy that I put out. So therefore, that's what I was getting. And honestly, like I say, what you put out is what you get. So I couldn't be upset. Like, it was the realization, like, girl, like, your words is very powerful. Energy is very powerful. Like, we want good things, right, baby? Yeah, we want good things for us. And we don't want to be petty. We don't want all of that. So, like, I changed my mindset, changed my behavior. I realized, like, the things that I've said I wanted and worked for and prayed for and manifested, it's all have been here because it's the energy I put out. It's the good I put out. If you want good things to happen to you, you have to put good out there. I tell people all the time, you cannot do bad unto others and expect good to come back unto you. Like, you cannot. There's no way you can do something bad to someone and good comes. No, that bad is going to come back around you. Like, if you see that someone seems like they always have bad and trouble around them, it's because that's the energy they put out. It's what they're doing. Like, first of all, a lot of y'all need to cleanse your souls. And that's not a conversation a lot of y'all are ready for because you want to be victims. But anyway, once you put up, I tell people you get more flies with honey than poo. And it's true. When you have that nasty attitude and just, you're going to keep getting poo. You're going to keep getting poo. But when you put honey out there, you're going to get the bees. You're going to get the honey. It's going to attract. So like I say, the energy you put out is what you're going to get. If you are someone and you are misery and you love its company, that's all you're going to have. Misery and company. But if you are someone who lives that high, happy life and you spread that joy and positivity, it all comes back. And that's something that we really need to take into account, like in our minds. Like, even when we have that quick negative thought, I be trying to rebuke it. I don't try, but I rebuke that negative thought. I rebuke that negative energy because I don't want it. We are human and it takes time, but we really have to focus and understand the energy you put out is exactly what's going to come back to you. All right? All right, but guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Guys, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.